সোনাপুৰৰ কচুতলিৰ ঘটনাত তৃতীয় পক্ষ জড়িত। সমগ্ৰ ঘটনাৰ হ'ব এক উচ্চ পৰ্যায়ৰ তদন্ত। ঘটনাস্থলীত অসম আৰক্ষীৰ সঞ্চালক প্ৰধান জি.পি. সিং। সোনাপুৰ কচুতলিৰ উচ্ছেদিত স্থলী পৰিদৰ্শন অসম আৰক্ষীৰ সঞ্চালক প্ৰধান জি.পি. সিঙৰ। সাংবাদিকৰে হোৱা বাৰ্তালাপত আৰক্ষী সঞ্চালক প্ৰধানগৰাকীয়ে কয়, বৃহস্পতিবাৰে উচ্ছেদিত লোকসকলে যিয়ে আৰক্ষী প্ৰশাসনক হাতে হাতে জাঠি যোগ লৈ আক্ৰমণৰ ঘটনা সংঘটিত কৰিলে, এই ঘটনাৰ সৈতে এক তৃতীয় পক্ষ জড়িত থকাৰ কথা উল্লেখ কৰাৰ লগতে এই সমগ্ৰ ঘটনাক এক উচ্চ পৰ্যায়ৰ তদন্ত হ'ব বুলিও জানিবলৈ দিয়ে। মন কৰিবলগীয়া যে বৃহস্পতিবাৰে আৰক্ষীৰ প্ৰত্যাক্ৰমত দুগৰাকীকৈ উচ্ছেদিত লোক নিহত হোৱাৰ উপৰিও প্ৰায় 22 গৰাকীকৈ আৰক্ষী প্ৰশাসনৰ লোক কম বেছি পৰিমাণে আহত হ'বলগীয়া হৈছিল। ইপিনে আজিও সমগ্ৰ অঞ্চলটোতে বৃহৎ সংখ্যক আৰক্ষী বাহিনী সষ্টম কৰি ৰাখিছে প্ৰশাসনে।
And 22nd, midnight of August 21st and 22nd, 2 tractors were found with the building material coming this side, of which 1 tractor had capsized. This was generally seen in light of the information from the local people that some unknown persons are trying to come and take shelter here and build houses here. As you are aware, during the last 1.5 month, lot of people have tried to enter Assam from Bangladesh, and as Honorable Chief Minister has regularly tweeted, most of them have been pushed back by the effort of Assam Police and BSF. Now we had this in mind that is there a situation where some of these people may have come here, so we started in consultation with the District Commissioner and keeping the Honorable Chief Minister and the government fully in the picture. We started an exercise of making an assessment made by the District Commissioner and the Guwahati Police Commissionerate was that this is the land which is defined as tribal land as demarcated in 1950 as per the Assam Land Regulations of 1886. So District Commissioner gave this direction that these have to be evicted per law. Accordingly, for 7 days, lot of public announcements were made here about the violation of the land rules and land laws. Subsequently, on Monday, that is 9th of September, eviction drive was started by the District Commissioner and protection to the party was provided by the Guwahati City Police and police forces provided to them from outside. 9th, 10th, 11th, the eviction continued peacefully. 248 bighas of tribal land was evicted and cleared of encroachment, which had about 151 families and 300 odd structures. Yesterday, all of a sudden, there was a targeting of police personnel and the government officials who were taking part in the eviction process, and they were targeted by pelting of stones, by attacking them with dao, swords and bamboos. After due process, police also had to use force to prevent damage to the life of policemen and government officials. In the process, more than 20 police officials and government officials were injured. Many of them have received grievous injuries. Some civilians were also injured in the use of force by police, of whom 2 later succumbed to their injuries. Proper formality of postmortem etc. is being carried out. However, we remain committed fully to remove all encroachments from the tribal land. You also have to understand that in this tribal land, as denoted by the Assam Land Regulations of 1886, only a protected class of citizens can stay. People who are staying here do not fall in that protected class. That is why the District Commissioner had decided that they would be asked to leave this area. Thank you.
Bureau Report, Republican News.